Are you looking to update your Facebook page by removing your high school information? Let's go through the steps together to guide you on how to delete your high school from your Facebook page. To begin, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, locate the menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down and select Pages from the menu options. Next, switch to the specific page you want to make changes to by tapping the down arrow next to your profile photo at the top of the screen. Choose the page you wish to edit. Now, tap on your page's profile picture. Look for the edit icon at the top right corner of the screen and give it a tap. Scroll down the page and tap on Edit Your About info located at the bottom section. This will allow you to make changes to your profile information. Under the Education section, tap the pencil icon next to your high school information. This will enable you to edit your high school details. To delete your high school information, simply tap on Delete High School and confirm your action when prompted. Congratulations! You have successfully removed your high school information from your Facebook page. Keep exploring and managing your profile with ease using these step-by-step instructions. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials on navigating social media platforms. Thank you for watching.